Helpful tips. Nortel Phone System Hack. A user reported that their Nortel phone system had been used to make international calls, and the phone company said their Nortel phone system had been hacked. Nortel was a revolutionary small business phone system for small to medium-sized businesses like yours. Its voicemail was state-of-the-art. However, the firmware of the software for the Nortel phone system is no longer being updated or supported by the manufacturer. This has allowed for exploits, as well as many users are unaware of their negligence in setting strong voicemail PIN numbers. The Nortel is one of the few systems that is popular for organized crime and overseas hackers to break into for long-distance hacking. The Nortel Meridian and Toshiba phone systems and Panasonic phone systems are some of the most hacked phone systems by organized crime. It allows them to make outbound calls from your phone system and exploit and make a profit from it. To resolve, you will need a dispatched Nortel technician. Call to schedule your support technician.
For Nortel Support, call us today or visit nortelworks.com.